Hey, what's up, my people? My name is Dalton, and this is my YouTube channel, Dalton My World. And today, I'm going to tell you about some low cost, low price internet that you can get, as well as the promotion they have going on. Okay, and yes, it does help if you're on EBT or if you have low income. Okay, but you don't have to be on EBT food stamps to get it. All right, so I'm going to tell you all about that in this video right here. All right, on with the show. It's called Internet Essentials. Okay, Internet Essentials is the name. Okay, and I will put links in the description box below. All right. Now, Internet Essentials, it gives you 25 megabytes of download and 3 megabytes of upload. And the reason that's important is because most work at home jobs is going to require maybe, say, 10 megabytes download and 1.5 megabytes upload. So you get more than enough to do a work at home job if that's what you're doing, want to do. And it's also good enough that you'll get, good streaming. You'll be able to do streaming and do your essentials, your basic essentials of on a computer. Now you'll be able to do some light gaming, but you're not gonna be able to do hardcore gaming that takes like 100 up, 100 down. But you be able to do some light gaming as well. All right. Now I'm the type of person, I like to game. I like to just buy a DVD and use that. Okay. I don't like to have to be relying on internet to play my games. But that's just me. Um, the cool thing about it, I can't say this clearly enough. There is no credit check. Okay. Now, with this, yes, you will get in-home Wi-Fi. Okay, so they're going to give you a modem with this. Okay, now, as long as you sign up by December 2020, okay, you're going to get your first 2 months free. After that, it's $9.95 a month. You heard me correctly. It's only $9.95 a month after the first 2 months. And with this promotion, you'll get your first 2 months free. And it's called Internet Essentials. Okay? I'm telling you. And with the upcoming kids that may be going to school, okay, and some of them may be doing like going to school certain days, and then on other days, they're going to be doing something such as, maybe have to stay at home a couple of days and then go to school, Because I was reading about some of them, some of the kids may be going to school like on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then stay at home on Tuesday and Thursdays. They're working things out. But the internet is going to be essential, okay? And also, like, even if you had internet before and you had a bill, you'll still be able to get this type of internet because it's with a whole different program that has nothing to do with whatever you had before. Okay, so now you can get yourself rehooked up. All right, so it's called Internet Essentials. All right. Oh, and one thing I love about it, I like my freedom. So one thing there's no term contract. So there's no contract you got to sign. Okay, nothing like that. No contract. All right. And again, I'm gonna say it again because I know some of y'all are gonna ask. No credit check. Okay, straight up. And yes, you get a modem and you get in-home Wi-Fi, so that your all your electronic equipment can connect to the Wi-Fi, such as your smartphone, your your government phone, your computer, your laptop, okay, your tablet, all your Apple stuff, okay? And I wanted to tell you about that. And I will put the link of how, how to get it in the description box below. And I also will put one of the videos I made a little while back on how to, in the description box below, on how to get a work at home job. Okay, part 1. All right, so I will put those 2 links in the description box below, and please read thoroughly through the Internet Essentials when you go to their website. But it's pretty cut and dry. Okay, and don't think that, ooh, I'm not eligible for food stamps, I can't get this. No, most of these companies have multiple ways of getting you hooked up with these programs. Okay, you know, even if you are not eligible for food stamps because you're getting unemployment, they'll look and say, well, you're making right now, I'm not talking about in the past, but right now you're making under $40,000 a year, you qualify. Let's get the information so we can send you the modem, or have somebody come out so we can connect you. All right, so I just want to give that to you. And again, that's called Internet Essentials. All right, and in coming days, if I find something interesting that I feel that will help you, I'll be making a video of it and putting it on my site, and hopefully you will share it with other people, and hopefully it will help you. So I ask you to give me a thumbs up, because it really does matter, and that helps YouTube share my videos with other people. Okay, I ask you to give me a thumbs up, and I ask you to comment, okay, in the comment below. And if you have a couple questions, you can comment in the comment below. I'll do my best to answer them, like I do on most of my videos, okay? Also, I ask you to share this, all right? And, of course, I ask you to subscribe. And thank you. And I shall be rapping to you later. Peace out.